She's the sort of person who has an abundance of patience and consideration and grace for others. She's the sort of person who gives generously of her time, of her resources, of her advice to those who are close to her, without making a fuss, without being asked, and without expecting anything in return.
Ever since I've known Sam, has been an absolute gentleman, a likable character, and he's endeared himself so well to family and friends, and I couldn't have wished for a better person for my daughter. That Sam, on the other hand, Clara, is someone we are so proud of. She's given us so much wonderful moments to cherish about. All I would want to say is protect her, guide her, and be patient with her. And from my hand on my heart, I can tell you, you've got yourself a precious gem.
It's been the happiest moment of my life knowing you. I will love you as my wife unconditionally. I love you, of course. I will continue to love you to the very end by God's grace. One hand is off the steering wheel now, so please, feel free to steer, the car, anyhow you want to steer it, because I trust you, I trust your judgment, I trust your intelligence, thank you so very much. Very, very excited to walk this journey of life with you. I really am.
Body too correct. Oh no, Eddie man don't forget. Money go oh collect, oh wale, oh one neck. Pakam, body too correct. Say she love me, and you love it. Sensima, why they for her? Benzema, why you $1 Sensima, this kind dance you the dance. I'm doing the singing, you doing the dance.